Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. I have been tempted to do this sort of stuff for quite a while now, and I do it because I open toys. I am quite a big kid at heart, and I think I've mentioned before, one of the earliest things when it came to like opening surprises for me were Kinder eggs, and I never really grew out of that. I still like Kinder eggs now because tasty chocolate, super tasty chocolate, and a little surprise toy, though sometimes they can be disappointing, much like these. Now, I got this off eBay, the HMV store, and if I'd have bought it off the HMV online store, its web address, I'd have had to pay for postage in. So, of course, I wasn't going to do that when I could get it for free. Now, this was $9.99. It says 5 items minimum, Amazon value $24.99. We will see. I have no idea what's inside one of these. I bought this and another one alongside it, which is meant to be a gaming variant, which I'll either be really impressed with the contents of or really disappointed by the contents of. So they had, on the website, they had a blue box and a red box. Unfortunately, they didn't have the blue box on eBay, otherwise I'd have got that as well. So depending on what this shows, I might go and get the blue box and just pay for postage. We'll see. So let's open it. Oh, that went right off course. Let's see what we get. We're going to experience this together. Is it going to be good? Is it going to be bad? Well, there's two things in there already that I don't like. So I'm not a Harry Potter fan. What's this? Head to toe, the 9-card challenge. Okay. I'm also not a Friends fan, and we have Friends superior quality playing cards. More Harry Potter. Oh, I'm being punished. What's this? Bazinga. I don't like the Big Bang Theory either. And this looks like it's... Is it meant to be? Oh, is this a Harry Potter thing as well? Marvel, it can't be. I mean, it looks like it's meant to be Gambit or something like... Is this a chess piece? Hang on. Let's move this out of the way for a second. This looks like it's a chess piece because that's the knight symbol. Now, nothing on the box tells me, it just says Marvel, and it looks like Gambit to me. Well, like a little bit like Gambit anyway. The hair's too short to be Sabretooth, because that's the only other one that it'd make me think of because of what's going on up there. Oh my goodness. Come on, there we go. They sent me like what? Oh my, is there more tape? There is more tape. Oh my days. Right, it's not that precious. And there was even more tape. That is a chess piece. Well, what does it say on the bottom here? So it's Sabretooth. Okay. I knew it had to be one of them. So I know Gambit doesn't dress like that, but like head and face wise, it was making me think Gambit, and that was the only bit that made me think Sabretooth. That and the, you know, got a couple of claw marks here, torn my trousers. Yeah, this is a chess piece. I don't know what to think of that. The Sabretooth chess piece. Well, I'm not a particularly big Sabretooth fan either. From 2015. I don't know what to make of that. Is something broken off something? Oh yeah, something's broken off somewhere. Well, this, from what I understand, is quite traditional with these sort of things. This is broken. So a saber-tooth chess piece. So I don't have any chess set, let alone a Marvel chess set, that happens to be missing a saber-tooth knight. I do not like the Big Bang Theory. Controversial to some people out there, I know. It's just not funny. It's like, wants to be nerdy, but it fails. Harry Potter rubber keychain. I do not like Harry Potter either, which is also considered somewhat controversial for some people. Though a lot of people, for some reason, expect that I would like it, and I don't know why I give that off. I know enough to know that Slytherin's the bad one, because I used to work with someone who's Harry Potter obsessed, and I'm pretty sure Slytherin's the bad one. Friends playing cards. I don't like Friends either. Again, that might be considered controversial, because there's a lot of people that think Friends is the best thing ever. I don't. Well, I don't know what to do with them. I don't really want to open them because I don't like Friends. I'll pop them back in there. I think I'm going to be selling this on eBay because there's nothing I can do with any of this. And Harry Potter. Fantastically difficult 9-piece puzzle. Right. The 9-card challenge. Well, this one's from 2022. Oh, right. Well, the first thing I see is the solution. So it's just... Okay. Doesn't look like the biggest challenge going. It looks like it's one of those things, once you get the one piece in, you'll know where to put the rest. Right. Well, I'm not taking that any further either because I have no interest in Harry Potter. Well, I really don't think that go back. Does it go back or not? I'm so disappointed right now because of all the things that this could be from. Oh, I don't know, from like excess stock at HMV. You give me Harry Potter, Friends, and Big Bang Theory, which I really don't like. I can't stress enough how much I don't like these things. I have no interest in them whatsoever. And a saber-tooth chess piece. Well, I wasn't expecting this video to be so short. I wasn't expecting it to leave such a disappointed taste in my mouth. Now, I don't know if I want to try these knockout boxes again. I mean, perhaps it's because I got a red box and my favourite colour's blue. Do I get a blue box to find out if I get good stuff in the blue box? How about you all? Let me know what you think. Do you want me to buy a blue box to try and see if I get something that I might actually like? Or should we just call it quits while we're not ahead? We are so far behind, we can't see ahead. Let me know. I will leave it in your hands. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope you've enjoyed this more than I have. Like if you like what you see. Like if you like me being disappointed. Like if you want me to do another one and make me feel happy. Comment if you got something to say. And subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more. Thank you all again so much. Take care. And see you in the next one.